Hello everyone, I am Rasul Hasan. A few days ago I found a very interesting and new neural network which code is based on the cartoon GAN and anime sketch coloring, thanks to the contributors of all these three projects. You can find the links below. In this video I will show you how to get such a result using AnimeGAN. First of all, we need to open Google Colab. Don't forget to sign into your Google account. After that, create a new notebook. And then write here the name of the project. For example, AnimeGAN. Then on the right corner, click a connection button. After connection, from the main menu, select the notebook settings. Here we see two drop-down menus. The first one is the runtime type, and the second is hardware accelerator. From there, select the GPU. Wait for a connection. After that, we have some codes that we will need to install our neural network. Check all these codes below in description. Copy the first code and paste here. Then click the play button, wait for loading. Copy the second code and paste. Hit the play. And after that, open the folder section. Here you will see a new folder. Click the arrow to open subfolders. And then we need to create a new file. Copy the file name, then right click and rename. After that, we need to copy all this to a new file. Double click and paste here. Be careful and recheck all processes. Close the window and again create a new code string. Copy the code, paste and play. Wait for a second. After loading, add a new code and use the following command. As you can see, the number is 0. Then we need to modify our file. Open the file main py and write here 0. Then close the window and run to the next code. If you have the same problem, then you should install the following code, because this model is not supported on this version of TensorFlow. In my case, I installed the version 1.15 and it worked for me. Please copy the next code and paste here. Wait a bit. And voila, TensorFlow is ready. Okay, add a new code string, copy the next code and paste. then click play. Now you can relax about 35 minutes. Maybe have a cup of coffee, or you can look for which photos you will use in this experiment. I found some interesting photos on the Unsplash website. Alright, training is finished, let's get back to our process. A few steps and you're done. Here are the photos that I will use. Then open the dataset folder, then test and real folder. Here you can see the sample image files. You can leave or delete all these files, but if you want to upload your own files, then click right mouse button and select the upload. You can select the one or multiple images. Let's add some more photos. As you can see, all photos is uploaded. We need to copy our final code and magic will happen. Paste here, click play and wait. It will be very fast. Then go to the results folder, open it, open the H folder, then scroll down and our files are here. As you can see, the file names are the same. If you want to download these files, just right click and select download. That's all. Here is my results. Some results even reminds me of the Hayao Miyazaki's animated films, but it depends on the chosen photo. I hope this video was helpful and thanks again to the creators of this neural network. Take care and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Peace and love.